Hello, everyone. In this tutorial, you will learn how to create a cohort in Moodle. Cohorts in Moodle are groups of users that can be enrolled in courses as a group. This feature is particularly useful for managing enrollments efficiently, such as enrolling an entire class or department into multiple courses at once. We will also cover a sample use case and show you how to upload cohorts using a template CSV file. Let's get started. Let's say in the education sector we have a group of students in a course called Grade 7, Fidelity. The Grade 7 is the grade level and Fidelity is the section. While in the corporate sector, the learners are grouped by department, so the cohort name is IT department. By creating a cohort for this class, we can easily manage their enrollment in various related courses. Instead of enrolling each student individually, we can enroll the entire cohort into the courses. Now, let's upload a cohort using a CSV file. The CSV file should have the following columns: username, first name, last name, email, cohort 1. Here's an example of what the CSV file should look like. Now, let's upload the CSV file to Moodle. Log into your Moodle site as an administrator. Navigate to Site Administration. Click on Users, and then Upload Users. Click on Choose a File. Select your CSV file, and click Upload Users. After uploading the CSV file, we need to configure the upload settings. Under Upload Type, select Add New and Update Existing Users. Click Upload Users at the bottom of the page. You will see a summary of users to be uploaded. Review the details to ensure everything is correct. If everything looks good, click Upload Users to finalize the process. To verify the cohort upload, navigate to Site Administration. Click on Users, and then Cohorts. Find the cohort you created and click on it. Ensure that the users listed in your CSV file are now members of the cohort. If the users are listed, the upload was successful. Now, let's go through the steps to enroll a cohort in a course. Click on Participants in the course navigation menu. From the Participants page, click on Enrollment Methods. Click on Add Method, and select Cohort Sync from the drop-down menu. Choose the cohort you want to enroll in this course from the list of available cohorts. Click Save Changes to enroll the cohort in the course. That's it. You've successfully learned how to create a cohort in Moodle, upload a cohort using a CSV template, and enroll a cohort in a course. This feature is very useful for managing enrollments efficiently, especially for large groups of users. Thank you for watching, and happy teaching with Moodle.